On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to enable and get the Instagram messaging update. So, all what you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then scroll, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then go to the Instagram app, go to the permissions, and then make sure to enable all the permissions on this page, all the accesses, and then go back, click on force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear cache, clear data. And the last thing you want to do now is just you have to go to the Play Store and update your Instagram. And after you update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store, if the problem is not solved yet, then this means this option is not available in your country yet, so you have to wait. Don't forget to like, subscribe.